In a world of hybrids, touchscreens, and artificial engine notes, sometimes the soul craves something raw, something real. Today, we're stepping back into the past to meet a legend that refuses to age. This is the 1987 Ferrari F40, a car that still makes hearts race nearly 4 decades after its birth. But this one's in yellow. Not your typical Ferrari red, but bold, rare, and unforgettable. Let's take a closer look at why the F40 is still one of the greatest driving machines ever made. Built with one purpose, to go fast and look like it means it, the Ferrari F40 was the last car personally approved by Enzo Ferrari. It's a wedge-shaped weapon of speed. The lines are sharp, the proportions aggressive, and that massive fixed wing in the back. Completely functional. Everything you see was designed to cut through air and deliver brutal performance. In yellow, the F40 transforms. It's louder visually, unapologetically different, and turns more heads than even the red version. The exposed rivets, Naka ducts, and Lexan rear window louvers give it that raw race car energy, even when parked. It doesn't just look fast, it looks dangerous. And that's the point. Step inside and forget luxury, this is a cockpit, not a lounge. There's no radio. No carpets. Just exposed carbon, thin padding, and racing harnesses. It's a brutal, honest space. You feel the weight, or lack of it, everywhere. The yellow exterior bleeds in slightly through the minimal trim and reflections, but otherwise, this interior is all business. The thin-rimmed steering wheel feels alive in your hands. The metal shift gate clicks like a rifle bolt. Every input is mechanical. Every drive feels like a race. No filters. No computers in the way. Under the rear clamshell lies a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, pushing out 478 horsepower, on paper. But the reality? It feels like more. When those turbos spool, the world goes blurry. 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. A top speed of 201 miles per hour. This was the first road car to break the 200 mark. It's not just fast, it's violent. There's lag, then a tidal wave of boost. You have to learn the car. Respect it. Unlike modern cars, it won't save you. No traction control. No ABS. You drive this thing, or it drives you. But master it, and there's nothing more rewarding. In 1987, the F40 sold for around $400,000. Today, you're looking at prices well north of $2 million, especially for rare color variants. And yellow? Incredibly rare. Some say only a handful were ever factory painted this way. That rarity bumps the price up significantly. If you're in the market for one, expect to pay $2.5 million and up, depending on condition, originality, and provenance. But let's be honest, owning an F40 isn't about the price. It's about the legacy. The raw, unfiltered connection to the road. And in yellow, it's not just a Ferrari, it's a statement. The Ferrari F40 isn't just a car, it's an experience. A snapshot of an era where power met purity. And in this rare yellow spec, it's more than just legendary, it's unforgettable. If you ever get the chance to see one, hear one, or, if you're truly lucky, drive one, take it. You'll never forget it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the F40, make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, which color would you choose for the greatest Ferrari ever made?